And this is my latest lawnmower find here. This is a Troy Bilt 21-inch push mower with a 675 series engine, 6.75 gross torque, 190 cc. And it's got some issues here. This was a free lawnmower on our local next door classified, neighborhood classified. And the owner had tore the rope out of it, as you can see. And it's also missing the cable to start the engine with. That's torn off, and they put a tie strap in there. I always like these little red in color Troy Bilts. With these engines, these frames are really heavy duty. I have to check to see if there's any rust on here. It's probably been some time since this has started. But they did keep the rope hook on here, which sometimes they're gone. And you can see the cable is missing, so you can start the engine. And at least they kept the good Briggs & Stratton handle. I certainly prefer those over the aftermarket ones. And it looks like it's just been sitting for some period of time. I'm not sure how much. You get very little information when you go pick up a free lawnmower. You don't really ask anyway. Muffler looks a little corroded. And this Champion spark plug looks a little corroded as well. This will come in handy, that Lawn Boy spark plug. Auto choke engine, not a primer bulb. Not sure what year this would be, but it's definitely been sitting up for a while. 21-inch cut mulching blade, and they got the blade on correctly, as you can see. And it's got compression. I'll show you that. So let me show you a little bit more about this Troy Bilt, and then we'll determine how we're going to repair this. Let's see. So let's check the air filter in here. I see a little bit of rust on here. It's not packed with dirt, but it just looks old, as you can see. Got a little bit of sign of rust here. Going to look and see if this auto choke is stuck. And it's not. Auto choke engine. Did not get a bag or a side chute with this. Oh, this looks really clean. Look at this. Normally these models like this, with this age, sometimes this would be rusted out. That's a good sign. And these wheels look really good. These height adjustments are frozen. They got tread on them, but you can kind of see they're sitting out a little bit in the back. And this is the model and serial number of this Troy Bilt. And here's the back of this mower, where the bag sits. If there was a bag, don't have a bag with it. And just needs cleaning up, caked with grass, but I don't see any really rust issues with this Troy Bilt. And let's check the oil in here. And it doesn't look that dirty. It almost looks like it's just about full. That's a good sign. Let's see if there's any gas in here at all. Oh, there is. It doesn't smell the best in the world. So we're going to remove the spark plug boot and turn the blade around and show you this engine does have compression. There's a compression stroke there. And there we go. Definitely got compression. And best I can tell, that crankshaft is straight. And our repair on this is going to be, first we're going to see if we can get a new rope into that recoil, if the recoil is not ripped out of it. If not, then I've got another cover to put on here that will fit. I will need a new engine control cable for this to pull it back and start it. Don't want to use no zip tie like they got here. And once we get the rope back in place, we can check to see if it's got spark. And then we can find out if this carburetor is going to need to be cleaned as well. So not a bad looking Troy-Bilt. We've got some work to do on this, and we'll have some additional follow-up videos as we going to bring this Troy-Bilt back to life.